Members of the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service can now benefit from an additional 67 brand new Toyota RAV4 SUVs, which were officially handed over to the TTPS on Tuesday. Former Senior Superintendent of Police and Minister of Homeland Security Roger Alexander is urging all officers to conduct themselves in a professional manner during the execution of their duties. He noted members of the public have been asking for the presence and visibility of law enforcement to aid in the prevention of crime.
Law enforcement officers, patrol enforcement is important. You can drive all day, all night. Without enforcement, you are just another vehicle on the road. And we don't want that. We want law enforcement officers to enforce the law at all times. Look at a zero tolerance approach, because when persons see that you smile and you're not enforcing, they continue to behave in strange ways and continue to commit offenses.
Acting Commissioner of Police Junior Benjamin shared similar sentiments as he highlighted these additional vehicles will be used to give greater visibility and enhance the capabilities of the services provided by the police.
In today's rapidly evolving environment, law enforcement must be mobile, responsive, and equipped with the right resources. These vehicles represent an investment not just in infrastructure, but in trust, in readiness, and service delivery.
He said the Toyota RAV4 was selected after consultation with officers as these vehicles are better suited for Trinidad and Tobago's diverse terrain. The acting commissioner said the fleet will be maintained by Toyota.
Well, in terms of these vehicles, from the very get-go, I think that we would ensure that each vehicle, that there is a file on each vehicle, and there's going to be at least proper inventory where we'll be able to look at these vehicles, know exactly when they are due for servicing, and ensure that the service is done.
Of the 67 vehicles, 52 will be marked, while 15 remain unmarked, with a minimum of 3 distributed to each division. Jason John, TTT News.